I stay losing these self-research, man, but best believe. I told you I ain't going nowhere without it. Shit. It ain't nothing but a fashion, baby. Ain't even been nowhere in a while. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get rocking. Yeah, we back in the building. It's my favorite place to go, man. I'm telling you. I'm gonna live there one day. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to. But yeah, if you ain't just it out yet, we just touched down in the ATL real quick. Yeah. I know y'all remember the video showing those. About it. Just stood here for a second, just a little quick layover. Headed to Orlando, and then, hey, all I'm gonna do is say we're gonna get sky high after that. Hey, stay tuned. See if I'm able to go up in the air. Yeah. Yeah, man. I had to go ahead and get live real quick, man. Like I said, I've been working too much, man. It's time to have a little bit of fun for my throat. Hey, yeah. Oh, okay, bet. So something dope about this, you could get in a helicopter for only $39. What? You heard me, $39. that. Woo. Great, appreciate it.
I'll bring it back, all right?
All right, that'll work, that'll work. Hey, that's something that I definitely recommend that you get to. I mean, of course, I did just show you it all right there, but woo, man, that's wild. Kind of wild out a little bit, but hey man, I wanted to do something crazy, and that I felt better now. Now I'm ready to go back to the crib. You feel me? Side note, man, I don't know who told me to sit here and wear a hoodie in Florida. Not a good idea. But hey, man, short video, long live. It's all good. You already know we're gonna go ahead and get back. Man, we gotta start taking some more vacations now though. It's about time to get ready for all that. So yeah, man, Big Fat Season. Push that like and subscribe button. We about to get busy now. It's crazy. The whole time I had my mans with me, but I'm over here tripping. I don't even know why. But yeah, he definitely came with me throughout this whole adventure right here.
And hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails.